Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold XAUUSD on the lower time frames. Okay, but before we go to the lower time frames, let's just look at what has happened on the higher time frames, and we'll be starting with the daily time frame. I'll be using pivot analysis to explain what 7.1. So first 7 engulfing candlestick pattern, so we might expect to see some supply at that level. We might expect to see some supply at this level. Okay, but price is about getting there, and that coincides with the first resistance. So but for now, price is bullish on the daily time frame. Looking at this particular institutional candle, we expect price to push further up to the first resistance and possibly push to around 33422 level before we might see some drop, and then price before we might see price continue further up. Okay, that's that for the pivot analysis. For the pivot analysis, we expect price to get to the first resistance, which is at 3397 area. On the monthly time frame, after a look at the pivot analysis, on the monthly time frame we can see a triangle, a range form of triangle on the monthly time frame. Price is ranging, and we expect a bullish breakout to the top side with respect to this triangle. So I will personally expect a bullish breakout to the upper side on the monthly time frame. But if price is not going to go up, it might likely drop. And if price is going to drop, we have this particular demand area on the monthly time frame around here. These are demand area. We're talking about the 2700 level. But for now, price is going up because the overall direction is bullish. Overall direction, trend direction is bullish. On the weekly time frame, price is also ranging, just like what we saw on the monthly time frame. You can see the triangle. You can see the triangle on the weekly time frame. Now we have this particular pin bar suggesting that price on the weekly time frame, suggesting that price might likely go up. Alright, but if price does not go up, price might drop. If it does not go to the upper trend line, it might drop to the lower trend line. So that it gets to test the upper trend line, it drops to test the lower trend line. But in line with the overall direction, which is a bullish direction, we expect price to continue to go up. And on the daily time frame, you can see price is ranging. You can see the range on the daily time frame. Our range top is at 3497 area, while our range bottom is at 3117 area. That's the outer range bottom. Inner range bottom is at this particular level, which is at 3247 area. Inner range top is at 3445 area, but for now price is ranging. We expect price to break out of the inner range area and then approach the outer upper or outer